Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at Lake Wells Lake. As you can see out in front of me here, we've got the Shrike, which is the synthetic brand. Horizon Hobby, it's their in-house brand. We're going to take her up. This is the Maiden. Just got her together last night. It's by Skynetic is the brand. You can see on the flaps, and that's kind of cool. I've got her all trimmed up. I'm running a 2200 Zippy compact in her, and let's see what we can do. Definitely needs some up elevator. Oh, I like them lights. Yeah. Got my timer set for 5 minutes. Nice flying bird. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go in there and mechanically set it to maybe she's a little too nose heavy or something. But she does, like, she needs a little bit of up elevator trim, but she's right now she's fine. Oh yeah. I tell ya. Oh, she flies good. Yeah, she'll fly inverted. Got a nice roll radar. Oh, she'll zip around no problem. The motor's off right now. Let's see how she does with flaps. Alright, the flaps are on. Haha. Oh man. Flaps off. Alright, that's full speed now. Oh yeah, coming right at me. I can really see them lights good. I think what I'm going to do is put that battery back just a touch. Oh man, that's wonderful. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Let's take this battery. The way mod I've done is, of course I put a clear coat, but I put a little tab here just to make getting in there a little bit easier. Yeah, I'm thinking moving that battery. Well, you know what? Move it back just a touch. Here, see what that does for it. Gotta tell you, I'm very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. Alright. Take off into the wind again. Alright. nice roll rate on her. That's for sure. A nice shot of them wings or them lights there. Nice sport glider. Very nice sport glider. Mess with the bird a little bit. Yeah, should fly inverted, no problem. Into the wind, put them flaps on, and she just about stands still for you. You know what, let's do this time? Let's try. They're taking off with takeoff flaps when I hand launch her. That's landing flaps there. Alright, we're going to try, we got 2 minutes, we're going to try going with takeoff flaps and just give her a nice, more of a gentle toss this morning. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, that's the way to go. That's the way to go. She just flew right out of my hand. About half throttle. Oh, that is such a pretty bird. Cut the power. Gave her a nice wing test there. Alright, man, this is one easy bird to fly. Let's bring her by nice and slow here. I'll bet you when I get done this 5-minute flight, it's going to have over half the battery still left. Man, this is a fun bird. I am very impressed. Motion RC, you got yourself a winner with this Skynetic. Oh, by the way, I have no kind of stabilization or anything. It's just a regular DSMX receiver, 6-channel receiver, nothing special. You need that with this bird because it has flaps. So. Watch out, birds. Oh, I like this bird. Alright folks, that is the Skynetic Shrike. Put out Motion RC, that's their in-house brand. I want to say she's a 1.3 meter, I believe. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.